Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you the comparison of natural, vivid and black and white filters on Xiaomi 15T. So, when we're in a photo mode, here are the filters and we will compare the original, vivid and black and white. So, first we have the original photo. Now, let me just open the gallery maybe. Okay, the original. Here we have vivid. As you can see, the colors are a little brighter, but it's not very much of a difference. And here we have black and white, so it is really just black and white colors. Here we have another black and white photo, the vivid one, and the natural. So this wooden door frame has the most difference between vivid and normal. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.